Looking for a career change so you can get out of that job already? If this video found you, then there's a very good chance that you've been sitting here scrolling social media and you've been seeing videos where people are talking about affiliate marketing, and you might be wondering if this is a legit thing and something that you should take advantage of. This is absolutely something that you should take advantage of and get started with. Look, digital marketing is the most lucrative skill that you can learn right now. Digital marketers, on average, are pulling in about $177,000 a year on average. And the crazy thing is that you don't need a college degree in order to get started with digital marketing. You don't need an expensive piece of paper and spend 4 years of your life getting said expensive piece of paper to get started with digital marketing. You can learn the fundamentals in a weekend, and then it's all about the practice. It's all about the repetition. It's all about mastering the proven process, which makes this accessible to everyone. Back in September, I found a step-by-step blueprint that taught me how to get started with digital marketing, and these days I am paying all of my bills following a 2-hour-a-day proven process with the digital marketing skills that I have learned. Look, I have pulled in this much in the last 3 months. What does that say, 46,000? 46,000 in 3 months. You multiply that by 4 for 12 months, that's what, 184,000? So I'm actually above that 177,000 average right now. So if you're looking for a career change, if you're looking for a way to get out of that job, learn how to be your own boss so that you can take back control of your life, I would love to share more about this blueprint and what it's helped me to do. If you would like to learn more, follow me so we can keep in touch, save this video for later, and then drop ready in the chat. I would love to show you exactly what I'm doing.